Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block virtual reality devices permissions in Firefox on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Firefox browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings in the drop-down menu. In the Firefox settings window, select this one Privacy and Security in the left sidebar. On the right, scroll down to the Permissions section. Under this, you will find Virtual Reality option. Click on this one Settings button. To block new request asking to access your virtual reality devices, check this one option. And in case you want to allow new requests asking to access your virtual reality devices, and check this one option. In case you have already allowed some of the websites to access virtual reality, that will be listed here. To remove any particular website, select that website and click on this one remove website button. In case you want to remove all these one websites, select just click on this one remove all websites button, then click on this one save changes button to apply the changes. Close the Firefox and reopen. That's all about this video.